Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is blogging. How can earn money through blogging? What is blogging? So I will only talk about the whole video about this Google products. Blogging is a Google products, and also you can use it without Google. But if you use it with Google, you will also get many of the benefits of this, and also both have different specs and benefits. So let's get start the video. Before starting, I'm requesting you to please like the video and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Blogging. Here you can see the topic blogging. Blogging is a business type is audience monetization. So you can understand what is this type. Audience monetization effort is high, leverage low, startup cost out of 5 is 1, earning potential out of 5 is 3. You are probably read a business blog at some point in your life. Businesses use blogging to share knowledge and insights, build an audience, and get more leads and sales. Blogging has endless benefits such as building through leadership in an industry and improving search engine visibility of a brand. Blogging makes money online has grown beyond big businesses and side hustles. Anyone can now build an audience by putting out great content and make a lot of money from their blog. Blogger bloggers also tends to take a personal approach. Their resonates with an intended audience versus getting information from a company blog. People start blog for many different reasons. Some big reasons are sharing their thoughts, possessions, or life experience, educating readers on the topic they know about, selling products and services, building a personal brand. They the key to run a successful blog is choosing a niche. That's really no shortage of them on the web. No shortage of the web. You should be expert on topics in a specific location. For example, restaurant in Toronto for or for a specific segments in certain categories like vegan, keto, recipe, and lifestyle. Focusing on the niche helps you speak to an audience and create high quality content for them, uh, which in which turns can result. What the fuck this is written as, which in turns can result is lead and sale of your blog business. But how do you make money from blogging? Well, here some things: selling physical products that you reader will enjoy, like pillow or T-shirt, according to your blog niche. Okay, offering digital products such as designs, digital arts, and photography, etc. वगैरह. Selling freelancing services such as consulting, writing, bookkeeping, or hobbies that make money. Okay, becoming an influencer and doing paid promotion for brands. This is very good. This is very one of the best method of making money online by paid promotions. Selling subscription or membership to exclusive content or platforms such as Patreon. Okay, this is one of the another best way, but you should be expert. But this is one of the best that I am seeing that I have ever seen. Selling freelance, yeah, paid promotions for the brand that gives you a lot of money within one day. So hope so today's topic will understand you well, and you will also learn about blogging, what is blogging, and how you can work on blogging. So hope so you will try this. So keep smiling and say goodbye.